Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Diet and Exercise. If you're looking to boost your flexibility and reduce the risk of injury, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into effective stretching routines that will help you achieve greater range of motion, alleviate muscle tension, and enhance your overall physical performance. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve your game, or someone who wants to stay limber and pain-free in daily activities, these stretching routines are designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. We'll guide you through a series of stretches that target key muscle groups, provide tips for proper technique, and show you how to integrate these stretches into your warm-up and cool-down phases. Let's start on the path to improved flexibility and injury prevention. Dynamic stretching for warm-up. Unlike static stretching, which you might do after your workout, dynamic stretching involves moving parts of your body through their full range of motion, which helps increase blood flow to your muscles and prepare your body for exercise. Dynamic stretches like leg swings, arm circles, and high knees activate your muscles and joints, improve flexibility, and enhance your overall performance. They're perfect for getting your body ready for more intense workouts, whether it's running, weightlifting, or a sports activity. Incorporate dynamic stretches into your warm-up routine to reduce the risk of injury and improve your range of motion. Focus on major muscle groups. When you work on your major muscle groups, like the chest, back, legs, and core, you ensure you're building a balanced and strong physique. Exercises such as squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups engage these large muscles and provide a solid foundation for overall strength and fitness. Focusing on these muscle groups not only helps improve your functional strength, but also boosts your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even at rest. It's important to incorporate exercises that target these areas into your routine to ensure you're working out effectively and achieving well-rounded results. Incorporate static stretching post-workout. Static stretching involves holding a stretch for an extended period of time, typically 20 to 30 seconds, to improve flexibility and aid in muscle recovery. After a workout, your muscles are warm and more pliable, making it the perfect time to stretch and enhance your range of motion. This practice helps reduce muscle soreness, prevent stiffness, and lower the risk of injury by elongating the muscles and releasing tension. Key stretches to include are hamstring stretches, quad stretches, and shoulder stretches. Incorporating static stretches into your cool-down routine can also promote relaxation and help your body transition back to a resting state. Practice proper technique. Using the correct form not only maximizes the effectiveness of your exercises, but also helps prevent injuries. Whether you're lifting weights, performing body weight exercises, or doing cardio, each movement should be executed with precision. Proper technique ensures that you're engaging the right muscle groups and avoiding unnecessary strain on your joints and ligaments. Start by focusing on your posture, keeping your back straight, core engaged, and movements controlled. For weightlifting, ensure you're using the right amount of weight and performing each rep with the correct range of motion. If you're unsure about your form, use mirrors to check your alignment or seek advice from a fitness professional. Correcting your technique can improve your performance, enhance results, and make your workout safer and more enjoyable. Utilize foam rolling. Foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, is a fantastic technique to help with muscle recovery and improve flexibility. By using a foam roller, you can apply pressure to specific areas of your body to release muscle tightness, reduce soreness, and increase blood flow. To get started, simply place the foam roller under the muscle groups you want to target, like your calves, quads, or back, and gently roll back and forth. Focus on areas that feel particularly tight or sore, spending about 30 to 60 seconds on each spot. Foam rolling can also help improve your range of motion and enhance your overall performance by preparing your muscles for exercise and aiding in their recovery afterwards. Incorporating foam rolling into your routine can make a big difference in how your body feels and performs. Incorporate yoga poses. Yoga isn't just about flexibility. It also enhances strength, balance, and mental focus. Integrating yoga poses can help improve your overall physical and mental well-being, making it a valuable addition to any workout regimen. Start with foundational poses like Downward Dog, which stretches and strengthens the entire body, or Warrior II, which boosts lower body strength and stability. Poses like the tree pose help improve balance and core strength, while the child's pose is perfect for relaxation and recovery. Incorporating these poses can aid in muscle recovery, increase flexibility, and reduce stress. To get started, set aside a few minutes before or after your workouts for a yoga session, or even add a dedicated yoga day to your weekly routine. It's a great way to enhance your performance, prevent injuries, and promote overall well-being. Focus on breathing. Proper breathing techniques can greatly enhance your workout performance and overall well-being. By learning to control your breath, you can improve your endurance, increase oxygen flow to your muscles, and even reduce stress and anxiety. Start by practicing deep diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale fully through your mouth. This method helps increase lung capacity and ensures that your muscles receive the oxygen they need. During your workouts, synchronize your breath with your movements. For example, exhale during the exertion phase of an exercise, like lifting a weight, and inhale during the relaxation phase, like lowering it. Incorporating mindful breathing into your routine can also aid in mental focus and help you maintain a steady rhythm throughout your exercise. Maintain consistency. Staying consistent with your workouts and healthy habits is key to achieving long-term results and reaching your fitness goals. It's not about making huge changes overnight, but rather about making small, manageable adjustments that you can stick with over time. Start by setting realistic goals and creating a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's 3 workouts a week or daily morning stretches, find your routine that works for you and stick to it. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. It's about showing up regularly and making gradual progress. Celebrate your small victories and stay motivated by tracking your progress and adjusting your goals as needed. Consistency in your fitness routine will lead to noticeable improvements in strength, endurance, and overall health. Use stretching aids. Stretching aids like resistance bands, foam rollers, and stretching straps can significantly improve the effectiveness of your stretching routine by providing support and increasing your range of motion. Start with a resistance band to assist with deeper stretches and target specific muscle groups. For example, use it to gently pull your leg into a deeper hamstring stretch, or to help with shoulder mobility exercises. Foam rollers are great for self-myofascial release, helping to alleviate muscle tightness and improve blood flow. Simply roll over the targeted area to help release knots and reduce soreness. Stretching straps can assist in achieving more controlled and sustained stretches, especially useful for reaching and stretching muscles that are hard to access. Customize your routine. A personalized approach ensures that your fitness plan is effective and sustainable, helping you stay motivated and see results. Start by assessing your fitness goals. Whether you want to build strength, improve endurance, lose weight, or just stay active, choose exercises that align with these goals, and don't be afraid to mix things up to keep your workout engaging. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear about your stretching routines in the comments. Don't miss out on our next video. See you next time.